Are you looking for a way to get a virtual assistant on your phone? And maybe you are online and quickly want to get some response or answer to some curious question. I have a virtual assistant tool for you, and this tool can be used on your WhatsApp, just exactly like ChatGPT. So, how do you use this tool? This tool is called What's the Chat. So, what's the chat? When you get to what's the chat, or just write the word api.whatsapp.com. So api.whatsapp.com is the name of this app. So but another way to actually get this app is very simple. One of the way to get this app is for you to go on your contacts and type this number. This is the number. The number is +1 3 1 5, okay, 9 0 3, okay, then 5 0 8 7. So let's copy. So I copy this number, then I take it to my WhatsApp, then I message the number. I paste. The moment I paste, I click on chat. So let me chat. So right now, let me ask question. How are you today? How are you today? How are you today? So I'm asking question. Yes, I'm an AI player. I don't have feelings. Okay, no problem. Can you help with some some quotes for Monday? For Monday motivation. Yep. Okay, so I'm asking right now whether I can help for some code for Monday motivation, and in seconds, this AI tool is going to answer me. I know as a teacher, you're thinking about ways to use this. There are actually different ways to use this, and definitely this will give you a lot of option to chat GPT and more. So check it out. This is sure. Yeah, so yep, success is not final, failure is not fatal. It encouraged to continue the count. Wow, I like that. I'm seeing some advertisement over here, maybe because it is free. Okay, upgrade your account to pay monthly. Okay, but okay, it's asking us for us to update our account for us to pay more, but I think I still like this because this one is free, but this is another one again. So give it a try, and I'm very sure that you find these two of interest. Thank you. Bye.